Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best 9690 water filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a healthy home, ensuring every glass of water from your Kenmore Elite Refrigerator is crisp, clean, and free from impurities, directly impacting your family's well-being and the taste of your beverages without you even realizing the silent hero at work. Number 5. Waterdrop LG LT1000P Refrigerator Water and Air Filter Combo. Introducing the Waterdrop Filter Combo, designed for your LG refrigerator. This package includes replacements for both your water and air filters, ensuring comprehensive care for your appliance. Despite its affordable price, this filter offers superior performance. It holds important NSF 42 and NSF 372 certifications, guaranteeing its quality and safety. Experience advanced filtration with its Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon block. This effectively reduces chlorine, taste, odor, and other suspended particles from your drinking water. It removes impurities while retaining essential minerals for your health. Say goodbye to worries about leaks. This filter is crafted with precision for a perfect fit, just like the original. Installation is tool-free and takes only minutes by following the provided guidelines. This filter utilizes a superior Sri Lankan selected coconut shell carbon block. It offers a significant improvement over less efficient charcoal filters, thanks to its larger surface area and more micropores for enhanced filtration. It's compatible with numerous LG and Kenmore refrigerator models. This ensures you can easily find the right replacement for your specific appliance. Check the full list to confirm your model. The air filter component also replaces several LG models, including LT120F. This ensures your refrigerator's air quality remains fresh and clean. Refer to the list for compatible air filter models. What we like. This filter offers comprehensive NSF 42 and 372 certifications, ensuring top-tier filtration performance. Its superior Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon block effectively reduces various impurities while retaining beneficial minerals. If you are looking for a highly certified filter with advanced filtration technology and a perfect, leak-free fit, you should consider this one. What people say. Number 4. AQUA CREST LT1000 PC ADQ 747935 Replacement Filter Combo. This filter offers the same great performance as original brands, but at a more affordable price. It's a smart and economical choice for your refrigerator's water filtration needs. Rest assured with its NSF ANSI 42 and 372 certifications. This ensures verified reduction of chlorine, providing safer water for all your drinking and cooking. Enjoy cleaner, fresher water thanks to its premium Sri Lankan coconut shell activated carbon block. It effectively reduces chlorine, odors, bad taste, sediments, rust, PFOA, PFOS, and many other impurities. This filter not only improves water taste but also significantly limits specific contaminants like chlorine, with up to a 99% reduction rate. It supports healthier hydration for your entire family. Transform your water and ice with this effective odor and taste removal filter. Every glass will be crisp, pure, and truly refreshing. Engineered for complete peace of mind, it undergoes extreme pressure and cycle testing. This ensures secure, trouble-free performance and reliability in your home. What we like. This option provides excellent value, delivering the same high performance as original filters at a more affordable price. It's NSF certified for chlorine reduction and specifically designed to limit specific contaminants like lead. If you are budget conscious but still prioritize comprehensive contaminant reduction, including lead, this filter is an excellent choice. What people say. No suitable positive reviews found in the provided source. The source content was empty, therefore no specific product points could be extracted. Number 3. Waterdrop ADQ 36006101 LG LT700P Kenmore 9690 Filter Combo. This versatile filter is designed to replace a wide range of popular models, including LG LT700P and Kenmore 9690. It ensures broad compatibility for your refrigerator. It's NSF certified to meet strict standards for chlorine reduction and lead-free materials. This ensures safe, high-quality water for your entire family, giving you peace of mind. Engineered for reliability, it has undergone rigorous testing under high pressure and 100,000 life cycle tests. This design prevents drips, cracks, and bursts, protecting your kitchen. Featuring a high-grade carbon block from Sri Lankan coconut shells, it effectively reduces chlorine, sediment, sand, and rust. This results in cleaner, clearer, and better tasting water from your dispenser. As an effective odor and taste removal filter, it targets elements causing unpleasant smells and flavors. It consistently delivers refreshing water for all your drinking, cooking, and ice needs. Designed for dependable 6-month performance, it filters up to 200 gallons of water. This reduces replacement frequency while maintaining consistent quality and value. Installation is quick and simple with its twist and lock setup. No tools or mess are needed, just replace it and enjoy fresh water in minutes. What we like. Engineered for complete peace of mind, this filter boasts rigorous testing for leak-free reliability under extreme pressure. It offers a dependable 6-month performance, filtering up to 200 gallons of water. If you value a durable, long-lasting filter with a secure, leak-proof design and simple twist and lock installation, this one is ideal. What people say. Number 2. Waterdrop WD F05 Refrigerator Water Filter for LG LT500P and Kenmore 9890. This filter offers exceptional filtration performance at an affordable price. It's proudly certified by NSF 42 and NSF 372, ensuring top-tier quality and safety for your drinking water. Crafted with a 100% Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon block, it effectively targets and reduces various impurities. This advanced material ensures your water is cleaner and tastes better. Experience a significant reduction in harmful impurities from your drinking water. While it filters out contaminants, it intelligently retains all the beneficial minerals your body needs. Designed with precision, it guarantees a perfect, leak-free fit every time, just like your original filter. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools and taking only minutes to complete. This filter utilizes a superior Sri Lankan coconut shell carbon block, offering a significantly larger surface area and more micropores than standard charcoal filters. This ensures a more efficient and thorough purification process. Never guess when to replace your filter again. It comes with complimentary month install stickers, helping you easily track its service life of 300 gallons or 6 months. What we like. This filter stands out with its 100% Sri Lankan selected coconut shell carbon block, offering a significantly larger surface area for superior filtration. It's designed to reduce impurities while preserving essential beneficial minerals in your water. If you prioritize a filter that maintains the natural mineral content of your water and offers easy lifespan tracking with complimentary stickers, this is a great pick. What people say. Number 1. Filterlogic LT1000 PC Refrigerator Water Filter. Tired of unpleasant tastes and odors in your water? This advanced refrigerator filter is certified to improve your drinking experience, delivering healthier water with every glass. It's certified by NSF 42 and 372 standards, ensuring it effectively reduces chlorine, taste, and odor. You can trust it to provide a cleaner, fresher taste. Utilizing a natural coconut shell carbon block, this filter boasts twice the surface area and more micropores than standard options. This innovative design ensures superior contaminant reduction. It goes beyond just taste, reducing a wide range of harmful substances from your water source. An independent lab has certified its effectiveness against major impurities. Rest assured, it's made with exclusively BPA-free and food-grade materials. These are also NSF 372 certified lead-free, prioritizing your family's health. Engineered with precise measurement technology, it guarantees a perfect fit for your refrigerator without any leaks. You can easily install it in minutes, no tools required. Each filter works optimally for 6 months or 200 gallons, and included stickers help you track its lifespan. Changing it on time ensures you always enjoy fresh-tasting water. What we like. This filter provides deep filtration, effectively reducing a wide range of harmful substances from your water source. It's constructed with exclusively BPA-free and food-grade materials, ensuring safety and purity. If you are looking for a filter with robust contaminant reduction, guaranteed safe materials, and convenient monthly reminder stickers, this option is worth considering. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any helpful points for the buying decision. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.